Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon. So just go to Amazon.com and type in your product. So do like sun necklace, and it'll come up because there's a lot of these on there already. So you can see um, stuff like that. God bless me. Well, let's just go into it. God bless me when He made you. Love, protect, and encourage you. So that's it's okay. It's not the greatest. So I'll just take a little screen of that. Save that to my idea folder, alright? To me that's not mushy enough, but it's okay. And this one, I don't know what this one is. Amazon Pocket Watch. Or Pocket Watch to my son. Never forget that I love you. I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. So that's not too bad. Let's get a screen of that. And let's save that one. Save as. So you can see, you can find a lot of stuff in here. There's another one. There's one, remember you're braver, stronger, smarter, and love more than you know. So we already found that one. There's one. There's one there. Crossing it. Love mom. See, here's somebody that's kind of ripped off the other guy. Oh no, they changed the wording. Never forget that I love you, at least. This one has 84. Let's see this one. Never forget that I love you. Life is filled with hard times and good times. Learn from everything I can. You can be the man you can be. Okay, so that might be a good one. Plus it's got like 84 reviews. So if it's got that many reviews, then it's probably pretty popular. So I'll just take a screen of that, and we'll save that one to our idea file. So you can see how the research part is kind of easy, because you just go through and you just find stuff that's working, and you just take screenshots and add it to your folder and see what you can do with it. So the more reviews it has, and obviously the more sales it'll have. So I'm just looking through a couple more. And yeah. Crazy, eh? You'd think dads wouldn't really buy them for their sons, but they do. They sure do. So I could spend a lot of time on here. There's more pages, like 7 pages of results. But I'm just going to stop there. And that's Amazon for you. It's that simple. Go ahead and do some on Amazon now.